Let's make Typhoon Shelter Chicken Wings. What's a typhoon shelter? Basically, in Hong Kong, it's a port, and we have a lot of typhoons, and the boats have to go into the shelter. The open seas are a bit cut off, and the waves won't affect their boats. So that's a typhoon shelter. They've developed their own cuisine, and a lot of the time when we refer to typhoon shelter, there's a lot of fried garlic, there's a little bit of chili, there's a little bit of heat to it, but it's mostly fried garlic. And we're gonna do a quick marinade of the chicken wings. A little bit of light soy sauce, a bit of dark soy sauce. And that gives an earthy sweetness, which I love. Sesame oil. We coat the chicken wings. Take your chopsticks and poke some holes in the chicken wing so that the holes help it cook evenly. You can marinate this for half an hour overnight. If you marinate it overnight, the flavor really goes into it. We're gonna tap a little bit of cornstarch and just start flipping. Flipping it 2 or 3 times. In the pan, throw some oil and have your lid ready, low heat. And then I'm just gonna fry these chicken wings. Okay, these chicken wings were taken straight out of the fridge. They're still cold. It would be better if they were at room temperature, but sometimes we can't do that. Sometimes we just don't have the time. And so once it caramelizes on the flat side, I'll flip it over and I'm gonna put the lid on. The chicken wings are now done. Take them out one by one. We're now gonna clean down the pan and we're gonna start the next process of cooking. In our mortar and pestle goes some fried garlic, some fried shallots, and you can buy these in most Asian supermarkets. Grind those up as finely as you can. We can buy already fried garlic in the supermarket, so you don't have to fry it yourself. Isn't that a great hack? Next part of the hack is, into the fried garlic that I've crushed, I'm gonna put in some white pepper, and I'm gonna put in some salt. Okay. Add some oil. A generous amount. I'm gonna cook the chilies and the spring onions. Use my chopsticks at this point to move it around a little bit and switch it off. I'm gonna put in some Panko Breadcrumbs. Woo! I thought that wasn't gonna be spicy, but it is. Make sure you turn on your extractor fan. I'm gonna add our garlic, white pepper, fried shallots into there. I'm gonna toss it a little bit. I'm gonna turn the heat back on. We're gonna toast it and toss it like this. Ooh, I have that flavor of the Typhoon Shelter coming through. It's so good. And what I love to add is fresh coriander, some cilantro that goes in. Chicken wings go in. And then we toss the chicken wings, woo, to coat them. Try not to get the coating too far out. It's very satisfying when you see the chicken wings coating like this. Not so satisfying if all the crumbs come out and then you have to wipe it later. I've switched off the heat. I'm gonna pile up the chicken wings now onto my plate. Like that. Whoa, look at this. Oh, it's the good stuff. Look at these beauties. Pour this lovely Typhoon Shelter mix in a mountainous pile on the top, like so. gently shake it. This goes down, and there you have it. Typhoon Shelter Chicken Wings.